In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up iCloud email on your iPhone. This quick and easy process should take just about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and get your email up and running smoothly. First, you'll want to unlock your iPhone and find that trusty Settings app. It's the grey app with a gear icon, which is usually found on your home screen or in your app library. Once you've located and opened Settings, take a glance towards the top of the screen. You should see your name displayed there. Tap on it to access more personalized settings related to your Apple ID and iCloud. Now that you've accessed your Apple ID settings, scroll down and you will see an option that says iCloud Mail. Go ahead and tap this. If this is the first time you are setting up an iCloud email, the system might prompt you to create a new @icloud.com email address. This process is straightforward, just follow the on-screen instructions to choose your preferred email address. Remember to select something you can easily recall, and that represents you well since this will be your official iCloud email handle. Once you've set up your iCloud email address, next you need to ensure that the mail service is activated. Look for the mail option within the iCloud settings. Here you'll see a switch next to mail. Simply toggle this switch to the on position. You should notice it shifts from grey to green, indicating that the mail is now enabled. With your mail service activated, you're all set to jump into the final step. Checking your email using the Mail app, go back to your home screen and find the Mail app, which is usually included as one of the default apps on your iPhone. It's a blue icon with the envelope on it. Open the app and you'll find your freshly set up iCloud email right there, ready for you to manage your correspondence. You can now send and receive emails using your new iCloud email address directly from your iPhone. And there you have it, your iCloud email is fully up and running in the iPhone's Mail app. Feel free to explore the settings or personalize your email with signatures and account-specific notifications. If everything's working smoothly, congratulations, you've just set up your iCloud email in no time at all. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks for your Apple devices.